back to my channel. My name is Jackie and thank you for watching. So today's video is going to be a fall burgundy with a touch of orange eye makeup look. I got the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Androgyny palette maybe like 2 years ago at this point, and I just like never use it. So I was looking at it, trying to decide like, do I want to keep this? Do I want to declutter it? I don't know. And I decided I want to try and start using it a little more because I really do like it. He does have really great quality eyeshadows, and these colors are just my tones. So I really want to use the shade Fetish, and burgundy eyes are just one of my favorites. So I thought I would create a look centered around this shade for fall. So with that being said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to see how I got this burgundy eyeshadow look, then just keep on watching. So I'm going to be using the Modern Renaissance palette and using the shade Raw Sienna as my kind of transition shade. Since the Androgyny palette doesn't really have one that I wanted to use. I guess I could have used Safe Word, but I don't know why I didn't think of that. Anyways, we're just using Raw Sienna for now. And I'm just blending this into the crease and kind of building up the color until it's what I want it to be. And then I'm going to add some orange into this look. So now using the Androgyny palette by Jeffree Star, I'm going to pick up the shade Charm and just add a touch of orange to the crease. And then going in with the shade Fetish, I'm going to pack this on the outer corner using a fluffy brush. And then, same as I always do, as product starts to leave my brush, I'll start blending that outer corner color into the crease a little more. And then, of course, going back in with my original fluffy blending brushes and just kind of merging it all with the transition colors, making sure it all merges together great. And then going back into the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, I'm picking up the shade Primavera and just packing this on my lid, kind of the inner half of my lid. And then taking that fluffy brush that I used to apply the Fetish shade with, I'll kind of merge the matte and the shimmer together in the center. I'm not adding any additional product to that brush. And then I'm just going to spray the brush I used to apply Primavera with some MAC Fix Plus just to intensify the shimmer a little bit more. And then once again going back in with my blending brush to make sure it's all blended together well. And then picking up the shade Tempera, I'm going to use this to highlight my brow bone. And then picking up Fetish again from the Androgyny palette, I'm going to pack this on my lower lash line using like a kind of like a fluffier smudging brush. And then I'm going to pick up Charm and on a pencil brush and just kind of blend out that lower lash line. And then just using a black eyeliner, this one's the Waterline eyeliner from Urban Decay. I'm just going to tight line and line my waterline. Now I'm curling my lashes. And I'm applying that mascara that I can never pronounce, the Mana Kadar Beauty Bloom Volumizing Mascara that I got in BoxyCharm a few months ago. And then picking up Primavera again and highlighting my inner corner. And then I'm also going to drag this highlight shade down like just a teeny bit onto the lower lash line, and then picking up that smudger brush with Fetish on it and applying, just kind of like blending that together. And now using the BH Blushing in Bali palettes, I'm picking up the blush shades Coral and Pomegranate and applying those and then blending it out more because I applied way too much. And then also in that palette, I'm going to highlight with the shade Sunkissed. And then for lips, I'm just going to use the Ofra Liquid Lipstick in the shade Manila. So that completes this eye look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Check out some of my other videos down below. Give this one a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.